Fine. So now it's fine, Srijani. Very good. What you draw the other birds? What bird it is? Okay. So draw this beta. I make some topic today. This is semi-realistic birds. So you whatever you want to draw, it's very nice. You can do at home. Okay, beta. Now is maintain that no art style. I show this is Rio. They are maintain some art style. Okay, so that's stylization I want to show today. So you should maintain. First you make a circle. Okay, first make circle from this bird we are creating. First here I creating one circle. Okay, aram se. So you need to do this one. Others, all of you, if you practice up to 7:15. This is also one bird from Rio. Okay, this is some angry bird kind of. So I show this bird. First to make the circle like this, I show this bird one reason. The reason is that the art form, that what art form they are applying, art style. Okay, I not maybe it looks easy for you. Okay, Srijani, but it is maintain the art form. Fine. First make a circle and then after that we are creating like a oval kind of like this. Okay, this is oval kind of. I can make the two birds together. And now here is the one line. Here also I make one circle for the head. Okay, I create one circle. First make a circle this. Okay, I make the here. First make circle like this. Okay, first make circle like this, and then after that you can create another circle like this. So you can create this this line. Okay, very simple steps. Okay, like this. Fine. Yeah. So I make here the face. Okay, that's it. Basic steps like this. I show you. Okay. First I finish this bird. Okay. So I just make it this bird finish first. See this one. I make the weak 1, 2 like this. Okay. I finish this here. Okay. So now you can create here. I just make it here. Okay, this beak is its front. See, this is the beak, front beak. And here the eyes. I create eyes like this. Okay, fine. So now, how you can manage the balance and how to maintain the proportions to create a character. Okay. So now here I create, just my drawing is almost done. I just make it here like this. Okay, it's to like this only. It is drawing for the kids only. We start the 7:15. Okay, we are still not yet start for the intermediate batch. It's still going the kids batch. Okay, beta. So first I make circle and then I can create here. Akhilesh, you understood? First make a circle and then you can do it here. and here I can make the circle. These birds I explain over here how to draw these birds. Okay, आराम से. It's so easy. Just need to आराम से. Okay, I seen that video tutorial. Okay, from my YouTube channel, so you can just practice this. Okay, don't worry if you are not understood properly. I editing and I send it this video tutorial, so you can practice it this way. Okay, so now I just make it. I send every day video, so whatever I make another class students, so if you practice you can improve lots. See, I just make these birds like this. Fun. Okay, how to create that this. Okay, very simple. It's pretty simple. With the circle I'm using the characters like this. Okay, what parrot beta? I show you now this head part. What part you want to see? This one, right?
Yes, sir. How to do it?
I show you here now, this one. I show you now, beta. Is it?
The body part.
Okay, you need to body parts. Okay. Just wait 2 minutes, I show the body part. Okay, don't worry. So I can create here this little small like this. Okay. Fine. So the basics.
So how to draw the body?
I tell you, beta. So after the head part is done, you just make body part like this. See here, make one big circle and attach with this body part like this.
No, sir, of the parrot.
Yeah, it's parrot. I'll tell that. This is the same. Same. This is all the same only. Okay. I just now after that you can create here wings. Here one wings. Okay. And this wings coming from here. This is the position. Okay, here create the wings. Basic, after the basic circles is done, then make this wings. Okay, and then very simple. Same legs like that. Mute yourself, beta. Make it like this. Some sound is coming. Shouting. So now this is and create here. Okay, so we are making this. Okay, so I can create some composition now. Okay, here some you can do like this. Okay, here some leaves. I make some composition. Okay, you can. I send the picture, then you can finish it up. Okay, no need to do now. We can go the next batch now. Okay, so I make some composition like this. Guys, just wait 2 minutes. We are going to the next batch, intermediate batch. Okay.
Draw from the beginning, sir, please, sir.
What?
Draw from the beginning, sir, because I lately joined.
This drawing is not for you. It is for kids. Please wait. We are doing the beginning. Okay, beta?
What's your name?
Yeah, this is a kids batch going on. Wow, Shiny, this is